last then at the end.
You're in a cell dead zone. I can't hear you.
I would love a pepperoni pizza right about now.
I could eat a little bit.
Yeah.
Can't go on spitting.
Santa always sends me. He always. Yeah. Santa always sends me presents. Every Christmas Eve, he sends presents to me. Every Christmas Eve. And I know when those sleigh bells ring, oh, that can only mean one thing. And I know when those sleigh bells ring, but that can only mean one thing. Ever since I knew who Santa was, and his reputation for what it does, everyone believes what he is all about. He will bring you presents, there is no doubt. Ever since I knew who Santa was, always through the chimney, not the front door, with a glass of milk and cookies galore. He sees all the treats he's never seen before. Santa calls me from the North Pole, talking with that Christmas cheer. He calls me from the North Pole, always at this time of year. And I know when those sleigh bells ring, that can only mean one thing. And I know when those sleigh bells ring, oh, that can only mean one thing. Santa greets the kiddies with the ho-ho-ho. You and me, we all know that song. Even reindeers can all hum along. So everybody come on and sing along. When he enters the toy shop, he makes exactly what you ask for. From Barbie dolls to Lego Star Wars, he's making toys he's never built before. Santa always sends me presents. Every year on Christmas Eve, he sends presents to me. Every year on Christmas Eve. And when I hear those sleigh bells ring, oh, that can only mean one thing. And when I hear those sleigh bells ring, oh, that can only mean one thing. These days all he does is wonder if you're being naughty or being nice. Wonder if you're doing something that isn't right. Listen to the things you're taught and help out someone else. You don't need no one else. You can do it by yourself. Yo, be grateful for what you own. Giving is good for the soul. Don't always stay at home. Be a good kid. Be grateful for what you own. Yeah, you don't need nobody else. You can do it by yourself. He sends presents to me. Every year on Christmas Eve, he sends presents to me. Every year on Christmas Eve. And I know when those sleigh bells ring, oh, that can only mean one thing. And I know when the sleigh bells ring, oh, that can only mean one thing. Ever since I knew who Santa, Santa always sends me. He always